In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify candle store. We'll move from a blank storefront to a polished shop that's ready to take orders, keeping everything clear and beginner friendly. Start by heading to Shopify and starting your free trial. Enter your email address and choose a store name that reflects your candle brand's vibe, something warm, memorable, and easy to spell. Once you're in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and pick a clean, elegant theme. Candles are all about ambiance, so choose a layout with generous white space and strong image support. Customize your design next. Upload your logo, set your color palette, and choose readable fonts. Add a cozy homepage banner that features your candles in a real setting. Think soft lighting, natural textures, and a calm mood. This first impression should communicate scent, warmth, and quality through visuals. Organize your catalog with collections. Go to Products Then Collections and create categories like scented candles, soy candles, aromatherapy candles, and gift sets. Collections make browsing easier, help with SEO, and simplify your navigation later. Now add your products. Go to Products, Add Product, and upload high quality photos from multiple angles. Fill in the title, a clear description, price, and variants such as size or scent. Don't forget inventory details so your store shows accurate stock levels. Write SEO friendly descriptions using terms like hand poured soy candles, long lasting scented candles, and natural home fragrance. Keep it natural. Focus on benefits, burn time, scent notes, ingredients, and care tips. This boosts search visibility and answers customer questions. Create your essential pages under Online Store. Pages: About Us, Contact Us, FAQ, Shipping Policy, and Return Policy. These build trust, set expectations, and reduce support tickets. Set up your navigation under Online Store Navigation. Add your main collections and key pages to the main menu and repeat core links in the footer for easy access. Configure payments in Settings, Payments. Enable credit cards, PayPal, and any local options your customers prefer to reduce checkout friction. Set up shipping in Settings, Shipping and Delivery with rates based on product weight, order value, or destination. Keep it simple and transparent. Connect a custom domain in Settings Domains for a branded professional URL. Then visit the Shopify App Store and install apps for reviews, email marketing, and upsells. Add only what you need to keep your site fast. Before launch, place a test order to confirm checkout, payments, and shipping rules work as expected. When everything looks good, remove password protection and start promoting on social media and via email. Final tip: use warm lifestyle photography and vivid scent descriptions to spark emotion and drive sales. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.